a festival of bright colors, rhythmic music, joyful dance, and religious devotion to the child Jesus. The Sinulog Festival is the grandest annual celebration for every Cebuano. MyTV brings you to the heart of the celebration, live through the MyTV Cebu Sinulog 2019 live coverage. This January 20, 2019, catch the Sinulog Grand Parade live through the MyTV simulcast over MyTV Channel 30 on Sky Cable and Channel 28 on PARASAT Cable Northern Mindanao via Facebook Live at the MyTV Cebu Facebook page and via live stream at livestream.com/MyTV30/on-air. Sinulog 2019, one beat, one dance for the world. Beat, Senor!